Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a Minion Ram from the new movie Minions: The Rise of Gru. So let's get started. I'm going to start by drawing the eyes. So we can do two circles. They're fairly big. Minions have some pretty big eyes. So there's one, and our other circle. And now inside these circles, we can do another circle. And another little one. And one in the middle. And I color the middle one all black. All right. So next we can do the frame of the goggles. It's kind of like the number 8 on its side. Okay, and next we can do a little bit of hair up top. Gonna give it a little bit of a curl up top. All right, like that. And now right here we can do a little nose, just gonna be like a little oval. And then we can do a tall oval. And a little mouth. And do like a little smile. And do like a little tooth. Alright, so far I think it's pretty cute. Alright, so next I'm going to do the little strap here for each side of the goggles. And right here we can do a little bit of the head, and on this side too. And now we can do an ear on both sides, of course. They almost look like floppy bunny ears. And now we can come on down and do a bit of a body shape. So it's a pretty round body. And let's do a little front foot. And another one. And we can do another little foot here, but we're just going to see like the bottom of the foot, just because of the way he's sitting. But this leg here will be outstretched a little bit so we can see that better. And now we need a little shape right here. It's going to separate the yellow from the white, a little bit of white belly. And now we need the two big ram horns, the big curly horns. So I'm going to come on up and curve and come on here by the ear. So we've got just like a big circle right here. And then another curve right here. Another little curve. And I'm going to do some lines here to help show the texture of the horn. And over on this side, we can do another big circle. and an inner circle here. And we're going to do another curve. And a line right here. And we can do some lines right here to help show the texture. And there you have it. We are finished our sketch, and now I'm going to get started with the coloring. Alright, so we are finished our cute little Minion Ram. Let me know in the comments below what you think and what you would like to learn how to draw next. Thank you so much for drawing with me today, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Alright everyone, goodbye!